Hi folks, so here's my latest handheld. I've got this little case of AliExpress. So what I've done is I've got a charging cable, so that's the charge. It's got an internal battery. So here's the battery compartment. Oops. So that's the battery compartment, and I've added a booster and to boost the charge up to 5 volts from 3.7 volts. Little switch which I've obviously hot glued in. You know, the lovely hot glue. There's a panel I could use for I could take this panel out if I want to introduce better cooling, but for now the system seems to be running great without any cooling. The battery is 2000 mAh batteries, and obviously the booster boosts that from 3.7 volts up to 5 volts. So the battery is 2% charged, so I've been running it for just over an hour and a half, so it probably lasts for about 2 hours. When I started it was 3 bars, so obviously not fully charged, so I could easily recharge it. And I'm not going to do much with this apart from surfing the internet. So I'll put the battery cover back in. And this goes in a bit like so. Oops. Filming with one hand. Like so, yeah. So that's back in. Turn the unit around. So that's obviously a website. So yeah, so it's a tiny little 2.4 inch LCD, and the reason why I'm running this on a Pi Zero is because of the battery life. Pi Zeros are not very good at surfing the internet because they've got less than 1 megabyte of RAM. But obviously I could put Orange Pi 20 or a Raspberry, but obviously it's going to be difficult to get the touchscreen to work with a Raspberry because obviously drivers are not there. But with Orange Pi I might be able to get this to work. So I have 2 megabytes on a Orange Pi Zero, but for now I'm quite happy to run it off the Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. So yeah, so it's a little, I had a cut out here to run the cable out, but I decided to run the cable out from the bottom instead. So yeah, so that's it folks. Yeah, I'm using a keyboard, so yeah, I'm using a little keyboard for now. So yeah, so I could actually sort of get around the web. Yeah, so that's the news. So yeah, it's quite smooth for a 2W. So yeah, so that's it for now folks, and for next time, see you all, bye.